Good morning class. Today we will continue exercise 11. Now today we will discuss question number 19 onwards. Right? Yes. See the question number 19. See the question number 19. Yes. Subtract 98567 from 111111. It means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh, 11 lakh, 1,111. Right? This is bigger number or larger number. It is called minuend, and this is subtrahend. Now step 1 is arranging the given digits in column wise and subtracting column wise. Right? Yes. Now we want to subtract 7 from 1. Right? But 7 is greater than 1. Right? So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 0, and 110 plus 1 ones becomes 11 ones. Right? So after borrowing, this is 11. 11 ones minus 7 ones is 11 minus 7 is 4. Right? Now subtracting tens, we want to subtract 6 from 0, but 6 is greater than 0. So from the 100 column we borrow 100, leaving behind 0, and 100 plus 0 10 becomes 10 tens, and 10 tens minus 6 is 4. Right? Yes. Now subtracting 100, we want to subtract 5 from 0, but it is not possible because 5 is greater than 0. So from the 1000 column, we borrow 1000, leaving behind 0, and 1000 plus 100 becomes 1000. Right? 1000 minus 5 is 100 is called 10 minus 5 is 5. Right? Yes. Now subtracting 1000, we want to subtract 8 from 0, but 8 is greater than 0. So we want to subtract 8 from 0. It is not possible. Right? So from the 10,000 column we borrow 110,000, leaving behind 0, and 110,000 plus 0,000 equals to 10,000. Right? 10 minus 8 is 2. Right? And 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 is the right answer. Now question number 20. Find the difference between 6,666 from 10,000. 10,000 is a minuend and 6,666 is subtrahend. Right? Now arranging the given digits in column wise and subtracting column wise. Yes. Now we want to subtracting ones, 8 from 7, but 8 is greater than 7. So we borrow from tens, but there is 0 at tens place. So we borrow from 100. There is also a 0 at 100 place, and we borrow from 1000, leaving behind 0, and this will become 9, and this will become 9. 9 minus 0 is 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3. Yes, this is 0. And we want to subtract 7 from 0, but 7 is greater than 0. So we borrow 110,000 from 10,000. Right? So leaving behind 4, and it will become 110,000 plus 0,000 is 10,000. 10,000 minus 7 is 3. And now 4 minus 3 is 1. Right? Find the difference between 211,302 and 52413. Bigger number is called minuend, 211,302. Right? and 52413 is called subtrahend. So arranging the given digits in column wise and subtracting column wise. We want to subtract 3 from 2, but 3 is greater than 2. So we borrow 110 from tens column, but there is 0 at tens place. So we borrow 100 from 100 column, leaving behind 2, right? Yes. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8 and here is 2, right? Now we want to borrow from 1000, leaving behind 0, and 1000 plus 200 is equals to 1200. 12 minus 4 is 8 and there is 0. Now we want to subtract 2 from 0, but 2 is greater than 0. Then we want to borrow from 10,000, leaving behind 0, and 10,000 plus 0,000 becomes 10,000. 10 minus 2 is 8 and here is 0. Now we borrow from lakh, leaving behind 1, and 1 lakh plus 0 10,000 equals to 10,000. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 1 minus 0 is 1. 15889 is right answer. Right? Yes. Now question number 23. Subtract the sum of 35628 and 78756 from 123070. Now step 1 is sum of these two numbers, then subtract their sum from this number, right? So step 1 is adding two terms, 35628 plus 78756. These are addends. Now adding column wise. Yes, adding ones. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4 under ones column and carried over 1 to the tens place. Adding tens. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? Now adding 100. 7 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 3 under 100 column and carried over 1 to the 10,000. Now adding 1000. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write 4 under 1000 column and carried over 1 to the 10,000. Now adding 10,000. 1 10,000 plus 7 10,000 plus 3 10,000. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. Right? Now subtract this number from this number, 1230770. Right? Yes. So there is minuend and this is subtrahend. 1230770 minus 114384. Right? Yes. We want to subtract 4 from 0, but 4 is greater than 0. So we borrow. So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 6. It will become 110 plus 0 ones equals to 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6. And now subtracting tens, we want to borrow 8 from 6, but it is not possible. So from the 100 column we borrow 100, leaving behind 9. Right? Yes. So 100 plus 6 tens equals to 16 tens. 16 minus 8 is 8. Right? Now 9 minus 3 is 6, and here is we want to subtract 4 from 2, but 4 is greater than 2. So from the 10,000 column we borrow 110,000, leaving behind 1. Right? So 110,000 plus 2,000 will become 12,000. 12 minus 4 is 8 and now subtracting 10,000, 1 minus 0 is 1, right, and 1 minus 1 is 0, right. So 8686 is the right answer. Thank you class.